Music make you lose control. Music make you lose control. Music make you lose control.
What's up, lovelies? Welcome back to my channel. As you see by the title, I have another wig install, and this one is from AliExpress. It is a synthetic pink wig, super cute, under $40. I will have all the links down in the description box, and I'll have some specs on the screen. If you want to see how I completed this look, definitely stay tuned. If you don't know who I am, my name is Mckinlee Brooke. I make fashion vlogs here, we need that type of content. If you're interested in that type of content, definitely make sure you head on over, subscribe, hit the like, comment, all those buttons. It helps me so much. And let's just get right into this video, y'all.
Not into wasting time, I was just doing fine. Should I find something new, or should I be tripping on you? What? These decisions ain't easy. Believe me, I know it's hard to leave me. And I know with these girls I'm getting greedy, cause I can't find one that knows how to treat a man. I'm just really trying to understand, who really trying to know who I am. Cause right now I can't even trust my friends. I'm trying to live my life right. That's all I'm trying to find. Won't you be my peace? Why we taking time? When I could be your peace. When I could be. Please don't make me wait. Please don't. I'm going out my way. I wouldn't make you wait, babe. They couldn't take your place, babe. Please don't make me wait, babe. Going out my way. I wouldn't make you wait, babe. They couldn't take your place, babe.
Yeah, the 20 appeal. Ran up and check it, this patty spaghetti made 20 more mil. Drop on the album, then jump on the chopper and go to the hills. My youngin' go Call of Duty with that chopper and he wanna kill. Yeah, shit it on a nigga, did it on purpose. I told my other bitch, go with my other bitch, just to get my other bitch a new Birkin. Pretty white toes, pussy was perfect. Fucking it back in the back with the curse. Fuck on the back and this bitch out of squirt. No, you didn't get this shit on my purse. Ooh, go get this bitch a new purse. Ooh, I saw my car, don't feel it. She had a lane, she healing. Now she on the plane, she chillin', and she supposed to pick on the gram and feel it. I know that nigga won't kill her, cause she in the villa going in with the killer. Man, in my plan to get rich, I'll pull up, I jump out the let me and jiggle. Whoa, this that go shit. Little bitch tryna act smart with me, but she don't know shit. 7-11, I bought all the backwoods, so some Trojans. It's like 500 bitches at the crib, but we still let them all win. Whoa, this that go shit. This that stuff on them niggas might put 2 watches on both wrists. My trap room with these niggas out here ain't having no motion. Back in the day, we was hopping in whips and riding it stolen. Rolls Royce truck with the freak of the week. Chasing the dreams, I'ma pass it to meek. Nigga, I'm a wolf, can't hang with a sheep. One on my neck, but my chain at the beach. Pull up to your block with a motherfucking 30. Every nigga with me down to go and catch a body. Y'all nigga trapping at a hotel lobby. Wipe a nigga nose like that motherfucking snotty. I'm in the trap with a dick, bitch. Yeah, I used to hustle, had the risk, yeah. Most of these niggas fry like a fish stick. If he a snitch, can't kick, yeah. I'm with the gang and we deep. Just like a dog, put a nigga to sleep. That little bitch tryna see me on the sneak. No TLC, but a nigga got a creep. Shoot him like JJ. Spin a nigga block like a Beyblade. If I hit the block, that's a payday. Hurricane AP, baby. Made up my plan to get rich, I'll pull up, I jump out the land, me a thugger. Can't let the cripple, don't cut her. Feel like Ving Rhames, it's guns and butter. Whoa, this that go shit. Little bitch tryna act smart with me, but she don't know shit. 7-11, I bought all the backwoods, so some Trojans. It's like 500 bitches at the crib, but we still let them all win. Whoa, this that go shit. This that stuff on them niggas might put 2 watches on both wrists. My trap room with these niggas out here ain't having no motion. Back in the day, we was hopping in whips and riding it stolen.
The way I do what I do, they heard
make you lose control. Music make you lose control. Music make you lose control. Music make you lose control.
I got a cute face, chubby waist, thick legs in shape, rump shaking both ways, make you do a double take. Planet rocker, showstopper, flow proper, head knocker, beat scholar, tail dropper. Do my thing, motherfucker. My Rolls Royce, Lamborghini, blue Medina, always beaming, rag top, chrome pipes, blue lights out of sight. Long weed, sold in, say it again, sold in. Make that money, throw it in, booty bouncing, don't hit. Everybody here, get it out of control. Get your backs off the walls. Misdemeanor said so. Everybody, come on, everybody, come on, everybody, everybody. Her name is Sierra for all your fly fellas. The Princess Cinderella, she'll sing on acapella. Come on, boys are using, make me lose control. We gon' make you lose control and let it go, for you know you gon' hit the floor. Yeah. I rock to the beat till I'm